watching getassist.net, and in today's video I will show you how you can try to recover your permanently suspended Twitter account. So recently I got my Twitter profile permanently suspended for no particular reason. So I will show you how I got my Twitter account back. So without talking anymore, let's get started with the video. So first of all, I will log into my Twitter account. I will show you what message I get when I try to log in, what suspension message appears. So here I'm using a browser on my laptop. You can also do it on your mobile device. You just have to log into your suspended Twitter account. So here is the message that says your account is permanently suspended. After careful review, we determined your account broke the Twitter rules. Your account is permanently in read-only mode, which means you can't tweet, retweet or like content. You won't be able to create new accounts. If you think we got this wrong, you can submit an appeal. So you can click on this option, and here you will get the appeal that you have to fill to get your account back. Here you need to select which device are you currently using. So right now I'm using the desktop web browser, and then you have to give a description of the problem that you are facing. So if you haven't violated any of the Twitter rules, you can simply mention, or in my case the situation was when I tried to log into my Twitter account using my new device, I was not allowed to do so, and it showed that my account got suspended because of the suspicious login. So this can happen with you as well, and if that is the case with you, you can just mention that when I tried to log in, it showed me that my account has got permanently suspended. So you can just get it fixed by filling this appeal form. And you can even tell them that you haven't violated any of the Twitter rules, and tell them that you have the access to your linked email address, so that even if they ask you to reset the password, you are able to do so. All right, so that's all the information you have to provide them. And they will also contact you on your email address that is linked to your Twitter account. So make sure you have access to your account, the email address, otherwise this thing will not help you. All right, so yeah, after that you just have to enter your full name that is there on your Twitter account, and your Twitter username and your email address is already mentioned there, as you can see. So if you want, you can even provide your phone number, but that is completely optional. So I'm gonna skip this for now. I'm not going to use my phone number. And then you have to just pass this test, this challenge. Click on continue. Select I'm not a robot, and pass this capture challenge, and then click on submit. Once you do that, you will see this message that thanks, your request has been submitted to Twitter. We are usually able to respond within a few days, but some issues may take longer. So please check your email inbox for an email from Twitter support. All right, so you need to keep a check on your email address that you have provided to Twitter to look for the email that you have received from them. After I submitted the appeal to Twitter, I received this email after a few hours from Twitter support. As you can see the time right here. So I received the email on the same date and day. So it's written that, hello, we are writing you to let you know that we have unsuspended your account. So this email will tell you if you got your account unsuspended or not, and what else you need to do if that is the case. So in my case, it got unsuspended within a few hours, as I haven't violated any of the Twitter rules or guidelines. So make sure you haven't done any violation, otherwise it will get difficult for you to get your account back. Now I will show you if I'm able to log into my Twitter account. So as you can see, the suspension has been removed, and now I can make tweets and all that stuff I can do on my Twitter account, and that's my profile. But as you can see, the following and the number of followers are still 0, so they will show up later. It will take some time to restore your number of followers and following. All right, so that's all you need to do. You just have to submit an appeal to Twitter that you haven't violated any of the rules and you need your account back. You have access to your email address and just wait for their reply. That was all for this topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you got your Twitter account unsuspended, do let me know in the comment section down below. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, for more tech related content. With that, I'm going to wrap up this video now. Thank you for staying till the end.